Today we shall begin with this saying that to succeed in your mission, you must have a single minded devotion to your goal. That means you should not alter your goal, or you must concentrate on your work and uh, your goal. Yes, once again, it is the saying of APJ Kalam. So now I shall begin with this problem that find all points of discontinuity of f where f is defined by fx equal to modulus of x plus 3 if x less than or equal to minus 3 and it is equal to minus 2x if minus 3 less than x less than 3 and it is equal to 6x plus 2 if x greater than or equal to 3. So this function is defined between minus 3 and plus 3. Within that function, within that point, we have to define the continuity of this function. So now let us consider a rough sketch. So that is approximate drawing of this one. So consider the point, this is x equal to minus 3 and this one is x equal to plus 3. So observe here, so this value, this is minus 3 plus and this area is minus 3 minus less than minus 3 greater than minus 3 and here you have to consider this is greater than 3 that is 3 plus and here you have to consider less than 3 that is 3 minus. So first we have to consider the point x equal to minus 3. So at the point x equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3 means the function is here, the point is here, therefore consider the function equal to modulus of x plus 3. So therefore fx equal to modulus of x plus 3. So now substitute this minus 3, f of minus 3 equal to modulus of minus 3 plus 3. So since modulus of this equal to 3, modulus of minus 3 is plus 3, therefore 3 plus 3, this equal to 6. So naturally now go for LHL. So here limit x tends to minus 3 minus, that is less than minus 3. So again less than minus 3 means you have to consider here. So less than minus 3 is here. So again you have to consider modulus of x plus 3. Now substitute the point, that is modulus of minus 3 plus 3, this equal to again this value is 6. So now go for RHL. So that is limit x tends to minus 3 plus, that is greater than minus 3. Greater than minus 3 means the, so observe here the function minus 3 x greater than minus 3. So here function is minus 2x. So therefore consider for this minus 2x. Therefore substitute this one minus 2 into minus 3, this equal to plus 6. Observe here the value at f of minus 3 is 6, f of minus 3 minus is 6, that is LHL 6. RHL is also equal to 6. So therefore, the function is said to be continuous. That is f of minus 3 equal to LHL equal to RHL. So this implies f of x is continuous at x equal to minus 3. So at this point the function is continuous. Now we have to check the continuity of this function at x equal to plus 3. So at x equal to plus 3. So again for this curve consider the point x equal to 3. So this one is 3 plus and this one is 3 minus. So at x equal to 3, the function is here 6x plus 2. And at x equal to 3 plus, that is greater than 3, the function is again 6x plus 2. And x equal to 3 minus, that is less than 3, this value, the function is, consider the function minus 2x. So at the point x equal to x equal to 3, fx equal to equal to 3 means function value is, that is 6x plus 2. So substitute the value x equal to 3, that is f of 3. This becomes 6 into 3 plus 2. So therefore this value is 20. So now go for LHL. Limit x tends to 3 minus. So 3 minus means less than 3. Less than 3 means here value is x less than 3 means we have to consider minus 2x. So therefore this is minus 2x. Substitute these values. Minus 2 into 3. So this becomes minus 6. Observe here f of 3 is not equal to LHL. So therefore this much is sufficient to prove the discontinuity of this function. Till then I will write here RHL also. Limit x tends to 3 plus. Greater than 3 means you have to consider 6x plus 2. So therefore this equal to 6 into 3 plus 2. So this equal to 20. Since LHL and RHL are not equal, so therefore function is discontinuous. So this, since LHL not equal to RHL, so this implies fx is discontinuous. Let's add. So the same function is continuous at minus 3 and it is discontinuous at plus 3. So now go for next example. Find all points of discontinuity of f where f is defined by fx equal to modulus of x upon x if x not equal to 0 and it is equal to 0 if x equal to 0. So f not equal to 0 means f not equal to 0 means so you have to consider that is for positive or for negative of 0 plus or that is greater than 0 or less than 0. So 0 plus or 0 minus. You have to consider the function modulus x upon x. And if it is x equal to 0, so you have to consider x equal to 0. So first at the point, so at the point x equal to 0. So fx equal to, so at the point fx equal to 0 means you have to consider 0. So therefore f of 0 equal to 0. So now go for LHL, that is limit x tends to 0 minus not equal to 0 means we have to consider modulus x upon x. So therefore here modulus of x upon x. So observe here for negative value, that is modulus of x for negative value, this equal to, that is limit x tends to 0, modulus of x becomes minus x divided by x. So therefore these two get cancels, this equal to minus 1. So for 0 minus it is equal to minus 1. And again for RHL, limit x tends to 0 plus. So once again it is not equal to 0. So therefore it is modulus of x upon x. So observe here. So modulus function, definition of modulus function is for positive value it is equal to x. So therefore limit x tends to 0 plus modulus of x becomes x and divided by x is equal to 1. So here, so value these to get sorry for 0 plus RHL is 1. Observe here LHL and RHL are not equal, so therefore function is, so LHL not equal to RHL, so implies discontinuous. So now go for next problem. So here also the given function is fx equal to x upon modulus of x if x less than 0 and equal to minus 1 if x greater than or equal to 0. So the function, we have to check the continuity of this function at x equal to 0. So here equal to 0 means consider this one, greater than 0 means it is equal to minus 1, that is at 0 and 0 plus you have to consider minus 1 and less than 0 means 0 minus you have to consider x upon modulus of x is at the point. X equal to 0. X equal to 0 means f of x equal to, it is given that minus 1. Therefore f of 0 equal to minus 1. LHL limit x tends to 0 minus. Here for 0 minus means x less than 0, we have to consider the function x upon modulus of x. So for negative value it is equal to x upon minus x, therefore its value is minus 1. And next go for RHL. Limit x tends to 0 plus. Greater than 0, its value is minus 1. So therefore this is equal to minus 1. So observe here, f of 0 is minus 1, LHL is minus 1, RHL is minus 1. So this implies it is continuous. Yes. At this point minus 1, this function is continuous. So now let us go for next problem. So here the function is defined as fx equal to x plus 1 if x greater than or equal to 1, and fx equal to x square plus 1 x less than 1. So we have to check the continuity of this function at x equal to 1. So whether the function is continuous at x equal to 1. So for 1 minus and 1 plus and at x equal to 1. So at x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means it is here we have to consider the function x plus 1. Fx equal to x plus 1. Substitute the value f of 1 equal to 1 plus 1. This equal to 2. So now LHL limit x tends to 1 minus less than 1 means the function is x less than 1 x square plus 1. So therefore write x square plus 1. This equal to limit x tends to 1 x square plus 1. Substitute 1 minus, so 1 square plus 1. So this also equal to 2. Now go for RHL. Limit x tends to 1 plus. So greater than 1 means the function value is x plus 1. Substitute the point, that is limit 1 plus 1, this equal to 2. Observe here f of 2, f of 1 equal to 2, LHL is 2, RHL is 2, therefore this implies fx is continuous. So similarly consider this problem. Fx equal to x plus 1. So that is, so already I have solved this one. So consider this problem fx equal to x cube minus 3 if x less than or equal to 2, and fx equal to x square plus 1 x greater than 2. So routine problem is there. At x equal to 2, function is x equal to 2 is here, means function is x cube minus 3. Fx equal to x cube minus 3. So therefore f of 2 equal to 2 cube minus 3. This value is equal to 5. So again for LHL, limit x tends to 2 minus, so less than 2 means again its function is x cube minus 3. So now substitute this limit 2 cube minus 3, this equal to 5. So now go for RHL, that is limit x tends to 2 plus, that is greater than 2. Consider the function x square plus 1. So for greater than 2, x greater than 2, function is x square plus 1. So now substitute this one, 2 square plus 1, this value is equal to 5. Observe here, f of 2 is 5, LHL is 5, RHL is 5, that is all are equal. Therefore this implies fx is continuous. Fx is continuous at this point, at the point 2. So routine procedure is there. There is no change in the procedure. You have to solve all the problem in same manner. So homework questions are again, I have repeated the problem that given yesterday. So repeat these. Yes. Thank you.